If I were to ask you, do you use drugs? What would you say? Now, let's say I was asking for a friend. Would your answer say the same? The majority of Americans would say that they don't use drugs. But according to a Bloomberg Market article published on July 7th, 2017, it says that 83 million Americans drink coffee every day. It continues to say, for the sole purpose of caffeine. Now, 2 years prior, in 2015, they did a study, and they state that 1.5% of those 83 million drink coffee in a special way, and that way is called cold brew. Now, the year after that, 2016, it stated that 4.4% of those drank cold brew. Now, that's an 80% rise year over year. In every big industry, there are things that shatter the industry. In the movie industry, there's Blockbuster, then came Netflix. In the retail industry, there's mom and pop stores, and now there's Walmart. Cold brew is the Walmart and Netflix of the coffee industry. It's breaking it. Now, there's a small trend now many people are jumping on, and let me help you. I'm going to show you how to make cold brew. To make cold brew, you need a couple things. First, you need coffee. You need a coffee filter, rubber band, some measuring instruments, water, ice, and a couple cups, and you're ready to go. So to first start off, you need the coffee. If you buy the coffee beans, you'll need to grind them. So you'll need 3 tablespoons of coffee into a coffee filter. Once you're done with scooping, you're going to wrap it tightly in a rubber band, making the equivalent of a tea bag, but instead of tea, there's coffee. Now, wrap it tightly with the rubber band, and you get a coffee or a tea bag equivalent to coffee. And then you're going to simply empty it or drop it into an empty cup, add water. And this demonstration is going to be for 1 serving, so that's around 20 ounces. Now, what you have in here is 20 ounces, the coffee bag. You put the lid on, and then let it sit overnight. Now, in the morning, you'll have this. After scooping out the coffee bag with the ladle, you get strictly cold brew. Now, the majority of people will add something to it, whether that's ice to keep it longer or colder longer throughout the day. And then, depending on your liking, you'll add a creamer. With the same ladle you use to scoop out the coffee bag, you'll mix it. And you have cold brew. So just like the Netflixes and the Walmarts of the world, there's cold brew, something that shatters the industry and transforms something into what we'll see in the future. Thank you.